Let's unbox the new iPad Pro. Apple just unveiled the latest updates to their iPad lineup, and this one's all about performance. This is the 11-inch iPad Pro with the new M5 processor. I'm so curious to see how it handles big Procreate files. I love ripping off the seal on these boxes. It's so satisfying. Let's pull her out and take off the paper sleeve. All right, here we go. Wow, that screen is pristine. I almost don't want to touch it. Almost. As sleek as ever, Apple really didn't change much on the outside this time. Same ultra-thin body, same gorgeous display, but what's new is underneath. The M5 chip, Wi-Fi 7, and a bit more RAM to keep those giant Procreate canvases running smooth. Of course, you get your usual bits, the microfiber cloth, power brick, and cable. And actually, there's one thing worth mentioning. This iPad now supports fast charging. You can go from 0 to 50% in about 30 minutes if you use Apple's 40-watt dynamic power adapter or another 60-watt USB-C one. That's a nice bump if you're someone who forgets to plug in before a live demo, like me. This one has the Nano-Texture display option, which you can get on the 1 and 2 terabyte models. I absolutely love it. Look at how it kills reflections, and the texture feels so good to draw on with the Apple Pencil. It's a subtle difference, but for artists, it's everything. Let's get it dressed up. I've got the new Smart Folio here. And of course, it works with the Apple Pencil Pro, still my favorite tool of all time. The barrel roll feature is the best thing to happen to digital art in years. Just like a real brush, you can twist the Apple Pencil to change how a brush behaves, unlocking so many painting possibilities. I've also got the Magic Keyboard. This basically turns it into a mini laptop, and honestly, I've been wanting a faster, more streamlined way to edit videos and make content without firing up my MacBook Pro, connecting drives, and all that. It's a whole ordeal. I'm hoping this setup helps me make videos more spontaneously and maybe even edit them from wherever I'm at. All right, moment of truth, let's power it on. Of course, this is running iPad OS 26, which has the new liquid glass design that's really pretty. We'll get through the setup process here, lots of tapping and waiting, but once it loads, I can't wait to dive in and actually test this thing out in Procreate. So that's the unboxing. I'll be putting it through its paces to see how it performs with big layered Procreate files, how many layers we might get with this iPad, and video editing. Stay tuned.